YouTube is a place for sharing. People share stories, talents, and ideas with billions of users. It's like a giant park. Everyone is welcome, but there are rules. These rules are the community guidelines. They keep the platform safe and fun for everyone. Imagine a park without rules. People might litter or be unsafe. It wouldn't be fun for long. YouTube's community guidelines are like park rules. They ensure everyone can enjoy the platform. They protect users from harm and keep the content appropriate. These guidelines aren't about limiting creativity, they're about protecting viewers and creators. For example, rules against hate speech ensure everyone feels welcome. Guidelines against spam keep the platform focused on quality content. By following these guidelines, we create a respectful environment. This encourages positive interactions and creative expression. Ultimately, YouTube's community guidelines benefit everyone. They help make the platform a vibrant and welcoming space for all. YouTube's community guidelines are not arbitrary. They are carefully crafted through a collaborative process. Experts from various fields contribute to their development. This includes specialists in areas like child safety and hate speech. YouTube also listens to its users. Feedback from creators and viewers helps shape the guidelines. This ensures they reflect the community's values and concerns. The platform constantly evolves, and so do the guidelines. They are regularly reviewed and updated to address new challenges. This ensures they remain relevant and effective in the ever-changing digital landscape. This collaborative approach ensures the guidelines are comprehensive. They address a wide range of potential issues from spam to violent content. It also fosters a sense of ownership among users. Everyone plays a part in keeping YouTube a safe and enjoyable space. YouTube's community guidelines cover a wide range of content. Understanding these categories is crucial for creators and viewers alike. One key area is spam. This includes content designed to deceive or manipulate users. It also covers activities like artificial inflation of views and subscribers. Another important aspect is sensitive content. This encompasses graphic violence, hate speech, and harassment. The guidelines aim to protect users from exposure to harmful or offensive material. Misinformation is another critical area. This includes content that is demonstrably false and could cause harm. YouTube strives to prevent the spread of misleading information on its platform. Content promoting dangerous or illegal activities is strictly prohibited. This includes instructions for building weapons or engaging in harmful pranks. Enforcing these guidelines is crucial for their effectiveness. YouTube employs a two-pronged approach: human reviewers and machine learning algorithms. Human reviewers play a vital role in content moderation. They carefully evaluate flagged content to determine if it violates the guidelines. This human element is essential for nuanced judgment and context understanding. Machine learning algorithms complement human review. These algorithms are trained to detect patterns and identify potentially violating content. They can quickly scan and flag vast amounts of content for further review. This combination of human expertise and artificial intelligence allows for efficient and effective enforcement. While algorithms provide rapid detection, human reviewers ensure accuracy and context consideration. YouTube is committed to maintaining a safe and positive environment for its users through clear guidelines, collaborative development, and robust enforcement mechanisms. The platform strives to be a space for creativity, learning, and connection.